Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best cleaning organizer is probably one of the most underrated tools for maintaining a tidy home. Keeping your cleaning supplies organized not only saves you time and effort but also transforms your cleaning routine from a chore into a more manageable task. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cleaning organizers, exploring various options to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Casabella Cleaning Caddy with Handle, 1.85 gallon. This is the Casabella Cleaning Caddy. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. It's a convenient way to store all your cleaning supplies. The caddy comes in a stylish translucent gray color with an orange handle. This design allows you to easily see what's inside. It also adds a pop of color to your cleaning routine. This caddy is perfect for storing all your cleaning products and supplies. It keeps everything organized and within reach. This helps you save time and stay efficient. The caddy features a patented design that allows it to nest on top of the Casabella 1.85 gallon bucket. This feature makes it easy to carry and store. It's a space-saving solution for your home. With its handle and nesting design, it's easy to tote around. When not in use, it offers compact storage. This makes it a practical choice for any home. What we like? This caddy has a convenient handle, making it easy to carry your cleaning essentials around the house. It's designed to store all your supplies in one place, keeping everything organized and accessible. If you're looking for a simple and portable solution for your cleaning needs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The translucent gray color is a nice touch because it makes it easy to see what's inside the caddy without having to dig through a pile of cleaning supplies. The orange handle adds a pop of color to the design and makes it easy to carry the caddy around, even when it's fully loaded. One of the things I really love about this caddy is how sturdy and durable it is. Number 4. Delamu 2-tier under-sink organizer. This under-sink organizer comes in two sizes, small and large, offering versatile storage solutions. It's perfect for organizing your bathroom, kitchen, or pantry. The set includes slide-out drawers and movable dividers for easy access to your items. You can adjust the dividers to fit your needs, perfect for storing medicine, cosmetics, or other essentials. Made with high-quality acrylic and aluminum alloy, this organizer allows you to easily see what's inside. It's a great assistant for keeping your bathroom and kitchen organized. You can stack up to 3 of these organizers to save space. It's ideal for holding spice jars, medicine bottles, snacks, and various health and beauty aids. Non-slip stoppers prevent the organizer from moving, and the aluminum alloy rods ensure long-lasting use. Assembly is simple, making it a convenient storage solution. What we like? This organizer features pull-out drawers, allowing easy access to items stored under the sink. The stackable design maximizes vertical space, perfect for smaller areas. If you have limited space or want to keep your items visible and accessible, this is the ideal organizer for you. What people say. Easy to assemble and keeps all my skincare products organized. Makes great use of under-sink space. The shelves feel sturdy, and the movable dividers fit snugly in place, which helps keep everything organized and prevents items from tipping over. I really like how smoothly the drawers pull out and how clean they look under the sink. The under-sink organizers I ordered really do a good job of storing items under the sink while making those items readily available. They were easy to assemble following the detailed instructions, stacked easily and are stable, slide easily and are easy to use. Number 3. Ukeetap 2-pack pull-out storage organizers. Tired of cluttered cabinets? These Ukeetap organizers are designed to fit perfectly under your sink or in your cabinets, offering a simple solution to maximize your space. They are perfect for both bathrooms and kitchens. Each organizer is sized at 15 inches by 8 inches by 12.8 inches, making it ideal for various storage needs. Whether it's for bathroom essentials or kitchen supplies, it provides the perfect fit. Made with premium thick plastic and a sturdy metal tube, this organizer is built to last. It promises to bear more weight and stay non-deformation, ensuring long-term use. The bottom drawer of the organizer can be easily pulled out. This design allows for convenient access to all your items, making it easy to find what you need. Forget about complicated setups. These organizers require no tools and can be installed in seconds. It's a quick and easy way to transform your storage space. What we like? This organizer has a convenient pull-out design for easy access to your items. It's made of sturdy materials, ensuring it can handle the weight of your cleaning supplies. If you need a simple, durable, and easy-to-install organizer, then it's a great option. What people say. The organizer is perfect for under-the-sink storage. It fits perfectly and holds a lot of cleaning supplies. The pull-out drawers make it easy to access everything. Number 2. Sorbus Black Mesh Organizer Set. This mesh organizer set helps you make the most of your space. It's perfect for storing various items in your kitchen, bathroom, or office. It is designed to help you stay organized. Easily see and access what you need with this storage solution. It helps you declutter narrow spaces and group similar items together. This will make your space more organized. You can add more storage by placing multiple units side by side. You can also stack the top drawer on the bottom drawer to save space. This will help you make the most of your space. The basket drawers slide open and close easily. This allows you to quickly access your items. It's also lightweight, making it easy to move around. This compact design is perfect for small spaces. It's made of steel mesh with a sleek finish. It also has sturdy metal legs with rubber feet for durability. What we like. This organizer features a mesh design, allowing you to easily see what's inside. The sliding drawers make it easy to access your items. If you want to maximize storage space and keep your items visible and accessible, this is the perfect organizer for you. What people say. This organizer works well. I used it to organize vitamins and supplements. What I like about this cabinet organizer is that they're light and airy and they're sturdy enough to hold some weight. I can see into the drawer and I like that there are tiny holes to keep anything from getting trapped and perhaps moldy, sticky, or any other such infliction that can happen in a pantry. They are sturdy and easy to use. Number 1. ClearSpace 4-pack plastic storage bins with lids. These large bins with lids are perfect for organizing your fridge or pantry. They are great for creating a clean and organized space. You can use them anywhere in your home. Easily organize any room with these bins. They are perfect for craft rooms, laundry rooms, bedrooms, and more. This multipurpose basket is ideal for home and professional organizers. Built-in handles and lids make it easy to transport. These clear bins are perfect for pantry and kitchen organization. They can be used anywhere in your home. Made of durable, clear, BPA-free plastic. They are food safe and easy to clean. You can use them with confidence. Each bin measures 11 inches by 7.5 inches by 6 inches. It is the perfect size for your storage needs. They are the perfect size for your storage needs. What we like. This product comes with storage bins and lids, perfect for keeping your items organized and dust-free. The bins are portable and stackable, making them easy to move and store. If you are looking for a versatile and durable storage solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The organizer is perfect for under-the-sink storage. It fits perfectly and holds a lot of cleaning supplies. The pull-out drawers make it easy to access everything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.